Hey, Planet Chuckle fans! Ready to blast off into a universe of laughter and mind-blowing stories?
Strap in, y'all. We're taking a wild ride through Amazon's big screen Bitcoin bandits, Ronaldo's NFT-powered soccer skills, and Tom Sachs' Metaverse marvels.
That's right, Clyde. From the surreal world of digital art to the adrenaline rush of sports, we've got it all. Plus, we're diving deep into some crypto craziness.
Don't forget those Mars rocks, Jeremy. I always knew I'd be a space cowboy one day. Now, where's my space lasso?
So join us on Planet Chuckle, where the news is as fresh as Clyde's farm jokes and twice as funny. Let's get started. Listen up, folks. Amazon MGM Studios is cooking up a movie about the crypto world's most infamous couple. They're the ones who allegedly went on a Bitcoin laundering spree after the Bitfinex heist in 2016.
Yup, Jeremy, it's like a digital age Bonnie and Clyde story, straight out of the headlines. Ilya Lichtenstein and Heather Morgan, also known as Razzlekhan, went all high-tech cowboy on us, funneling tons of stolen Bitcoin through a web of transactions.
These two got nabbed by the feds in 2022 with a digital loot that ballooned from $54 million to over $3 billion. Talk about a price jump.
In a twist, old Lichtenstein fessed up to money laundering, and Morgan admitted to that plus scamming the government. And get this, Morgan was also moonlighting as a comedic rapper. That's one wacky side hustle.
While this flick's gonna be drama-filled, other studios are churning out documentaries on the crypto circus, like The Fall of FTX and the tale of Quadragacx's missing millions.
Crypto's making a splash on the silver screen, and I can't wait to pop some corn and watch this saga unfold.
Attention, crypto enthusiasts! The Bitcoin market's seeing some fancy footwork with ETFs siphoning off GBTC outflows without breaking a sweat. Even as Bitcoin took a breather from its recent peak, the financial tango continued.
Yup, Jeremy, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust's been leaking funds like a sieve. But that ain't stopping the Bitcoin ETFs from gobbling up a whopping $759 million in a single day. It's like they're at a discount sale, snatching up Bitcoin left and right.
And get this, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust is sitting on a mountain of over 52,000 BTC. That's a cool $2 billion, give or take a few million.
With only 900 BTC minted daily, BlackRock's clients are buying up to 5 times that. They're hungrier for Bitcoin than a bear after hibernation.
With all eyes on the Federal Reserve's next rate decision, the crypto seas could get choppy. But hey, that's what makes it an adventure, right?
You said it, partner. Whatever tune the Fed plays, the crypto market's ready to dance. So grab your partner and let's do-so-do through the ups and downs.
All right, gamers and farmers, gather round. CropBytes is upping the ante in the Web3 gaming world. They're rolling out CropBytes Conquest, where your farm's not just a farm, but a battleground for your superhero NFTs.
I'll tell you, it's like planting seeds with one hand and dueling with the other. These superheroes are stepping out of the barn and into the ring, turning farming into a high-octane clash.
Web3's showing us that playing the farmer can be more than just zen. It's a strategic hustle where your crops and critters rack up real crypto coins.
Imagine milking your cows or collecting eggs and trading them with your neighbours for some shiny cryptocurrency. And those NFTs, they're like supercharged fertilizer for your virtual cash crops.
CropBytes is where simulation meets ambition, with a 5-year track record and a user base as big as a summer harvest. They're not just growing crops, they're growing a whole ecosystem.
And they ain't stopping at farming. They're bringing in strategic world building with a fresh batch of assets called biomes. It's like playing God with your own slice of the digital countryside.
Keep an eye out for their native token CBX. It's like the Bitcoin of the barnyard, getting scarcer by the day and more precious than a prize-winning pumpkin.
The folks behind CropBytes are looking to sow seeds of innovation across gaming and blockchain. They're crafting not just a game, but a whole economy that's as rich and complex as the soil itself.
Heads up, collectors and Azuki fans. Chiru Labs and IPX have hit a home run with their BEANZ toy line. The pre-orders for the BEANZ figurine decked out in Brown's hoodie have flown off the shelves.
Hot diggity dog. Those who snagged the pre-order will be hugging their BEANZ toys come springtime. If you're one of the lucky ducks, keep an eye on your inbox for that golden shipping notification.
This ain't just any toy, folks. It's a Winter Wonderland and Halloumia special, featuring Jay the BEANZ character sporting a snazzy hoodie in the likeness of Brown, the bear star from IPX.
And let me tell ya, this drops as hot as a summer barbecue. The BEANZ fans are eating it up, with the collection boasting keychains, tumblers, and now this Sellout figurine. It's clear BEANZ is cooking with gas in the Web 2 world.
The folks at Chiru Labs are over the moon with this Sellout. It's a big old thumbs up for their leap into tangible goods and mainstream charm. Liz Yang from Chiru Labs can't believe the love pouring in from fans eager to blend Web 3 pizzas with classic Web 2 cuteness.
They even took over the Swanky Line Friends store in Gangnam and lit up Times Square with a billboard. Plus, there's a shiny Los Angeles spot to boot.
But it ain't just about looks. This toy's got brains too. Thanks to that clever physical-backed token tech. It lets you track your toy's pedigree right on the blockchain with just a quick scan.
Chiru Labs and IPX are already whipping up a second batch. Keep your hats on for the scoop on the limited edition gold brown X BEANZ beauties that are coming down the pike.
Hey space enthusiasts, get ready for an out-of-this-world experience with Tom Sachs's Rocket Factory. They just launched Final Frontier, a handcrafted galaxy metaverse where you can own a piece of space. Starting January 29th, holders of Mars Rocks and Rocket Factory IDs had the chance to mint their very own space station apartment or an entire planet.
Yo, we're talking about a galaxy of 1,000 planets and over 5,000 handmade apartments up for grabs. This ain't just any metaverse. It's art-focused and powered by Monoverse.
Inspired by fancy architectural blueprints, these digital spaces range from massive planets to cozy space station apartments. If you're a rock or ID holder, you could have snagged one for just 0.05 ETH. Missed out? There's a public sale coming up on February 8th for 0.08 ETH.
This project is the brainchild of Tom Sachs, a sculpture legend. He's been meshing the physical and digital worlds together since 2021, launching real rockets that match their digital twins. Now he's taking us to the final frontier of his artistic journey.
What's cool is that every space in this galaxy is fully under the owner's control. It's all about decentralized living in space. Sachs and his team have been working with NFT studios to bring this vision to life, coding it like they're building with plywood.
So what can you do in this final frontier? Well, you can craft your space to your heart's content. There's even a special stuff mint coming up where you can deck out your Galactic home with designs by Sachs himself.
This is more than just a game. It's a new way of experiencing the internet. It's about connecting with folks across the globe in a more immersive way. The future's here, and it's in the final frontier of the Metaverse. Hey soccer fans, get ready for this. Cristiano Ronaldo just took fan engagement to a whole new level in Lisbon. He hosted an exclusive training session, blending soccer skills with Web 3 magic.
Only a few lucky fans got to experience this. All thanks to owning those special golden ticket CR7 NFTs from the CR7 Forever Zone collection. It's like having a VIP pass to soccer heaven, all powered by Binance.
The day was a dream come true for football enthusiasts. They got to wear exclusive Binance gear and practice right alongside Ronaldo. From penalty shootouts to dribbling drills, it was more than just meeting the legend. It was learning from him.
And guess who else showed up? TikTok star Kabi Lam and footballer Anna Markovic, adding some extra flair to the day. These fans didn't just watch. They were right there, taking penalties and absorbing tips from one of the greatest in the game.
But this dream day has a bit of a shadow over it. There's this huge $1 billion lawsuit filed in Florida over Ronaldo's promotion of these NFTs. It's all about the legal tangles of digital assets in the US.
Yeah, the suit's pointing fingers at Ronaldo and Binance for promoting what they call unregistered securities. It's a big old legal mess, questioning the entire venture. Ronaldo's not the first sports star in hot water over digital assets. Remember when Paul Pierce got fined over his crypto promotions?
Despite the legal drama, this event in Lisbon shows how NFTs are changing the game in fan experiences. From owning a digital collectible to training with Ronaldo, it's a whole new playing field.
You said it, Jeremy. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, all thanks to a super rare NFT from Binance. Shows the power of blockchain in sports, but also reminds us of the hurdles still to jump in the legal world of digital assets.
Hey Clyde, check this out. The Musée d'Orsay is showcasing some real cutting-edge art by Agoria, you know, the artist and DJ. It's all about blending the digital world with the museum's classic architecture and collections.
Oh yeah? That sounds like a real mashup of old and new. Agoria's using algorithms and AI to twist nature's data into something totally new. He's got this exhibition, Le Code d'Orsay, minted right on the Tezos blockchain.
Exactly. And there are two main pieces, Sigma Lumina and Interpretation by Saccharomyces cerevisiae of the Painter's Studio by Gustave Courbet. They're not just digital. Sigma Lumina is this metallic sculpture that plays with light and shadows to create a QR code.
Wait, a QR code in a shadow? That's wild. And visitors can interact with it using their phones, right? Blowing into the mic to change the digital sculpture and then minting it as an NFT.
You got it! And for the second piece, Agoria grew a yeast culture, mimicking the life events of Gustave Courbet the painter. Talk about getting creative with biology!
That's some next-level artistry, Jeremy. Agoria's turning a museum visit into a whole new experience. Plus, he's got this original musical piece, and there's a DJ set coming up at the museum. This guy's mixing up history, art, and tech in a way that's never been done before.
And don't forget the conference with the scientists and the biologists. It's like they're bringing the artwork to life, literally. This exhibit's showing how the digital age can give a fresh perspective on classical art.
Man, art sure has come a long way. From paintings and sculptures to digital manipulations and interactive installations. Agoria is taking us on a wild ride through the history and future of art all at once.
And that's a wrap on today's cosmic journey through Planet Chuckle.
Hope y'all had as much fun as a pig in mud. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in this wild universe of ours.
Stay tuned for more laughter, surprises, and the craziest stories this side of the galaxy. Until next time, keep chuckling.
And keep your eyes on the stars. Yeehaw!